First here I have 5 by 5 inch scrap paper, and after that I'm going to use Resmy Craft multi-purpose scoring board, and then I'm going to score it at 2 inch, 3 inch, again 2 inch and 3 inch to make an envelope. After that I'm using Resmy Craft corner and notch punch. If you are into envelope making, then you must have this product because it gives perfect professional look to your envelope. So in this way the base of my envelope is ready. So after that we're gonna make pocket for the sequences. So here I am using fusible sheet from Via Memory Keepers, and then I am using this fuse tool to make a pocket for the sequences. If you don't have this fusible sheet, then you can also use Ziploc bag, but the fusible sheet gives a better result. So in this way my shaker pocket is ready. Now I'm going to cut these extra sleeves. After that I'm going to fill the pocket with all these sequences. The sequences are from Resmy Craft, and here I'm using 3 different type of the sequences together in this pocket. So in the last I'm going to seal my pocket with the fuse tool, and then I'm going to stick on top of this envelope as you can see in a video. Here I am using clear gel to stick my shaker element, and after that just fold the paper to make an envelope, and then I'm going to decorate it with all this leftover embellishment. I hope you like it, and they all look so beautiful together. I just love it. I'm going to share with you how to make an album out of this envelope. So first I'm using this fusible sheet and fuse tool to make a cover of the album. Here I'm making a shaker cover. So for that first I'm going to make a pocket for the sequences. And after that just cut all these extra sleeves and then fill this pocket with the sequences. Here I have used all the sequences from the Resmy Craft. And in the last just seal the pocket. So in this way the cover of my album is ready. After that I'm going to make a binding of the album. So for that I have 3 by 6 inch paper, and then I'm going to score it at every half inch. So first I'm going to score it at half inch, then 1 inch and 1.5 inch, 2 inch, like this way. And after that I'm going to fold this paper in a zigzag form. So here I am using Resmy Craft bone folder. It gives very sharp and crisp fold to your paper. So after that I'm going to stick all these envelopes to my zigzag binding as you can see in a video. The last I'm going to stick shaker cover on top of this album. So in this way my album is ready. After that I'm going to make a belly belt for the album. So here I have take this paper and I'm going to stick it like a belt. Then I'm going to decorate my belly belt with the printed paper and some punch cutout. And in the last I'm going to add all these printed papers to my envelope where you can write a note, where you can put the photograph. And in this way my album is ready. As you can see it looks so cute. I just love it, and it's so blingy. I hope you like it. Thank you.